In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down menu field for fillable PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. To get started, make sure you're looking at the All Tools view in Acrobat Pro DC. This is the hub that lists every tool you might need. If your screen only shows a few shortcuts, look for the option to view more so you can expand the full set of tools. Once you're seeing everything, find and select Prepare a Form. This is the dedicated workspace for creating and editing interactive fields inside your PDF. When Prepare a Form opens, click Create Form. Acrobat will switch into form editing mode, and if it detects any obvious fields, it might suggest them. Don't worry about that for now. We're going to add a drop-down menu manually, which is perfect when you want users to choose from a clean, controlled list of options. On the left panel, you'll see the Field tools. Click Drop-Down List. This tells Acrobat that the next place you click will be where the menu goes. Now click on the empty space in your document where you want the drop-down to appear. Acrobat will place the field there. You can drag the corners to resize it or move it slightly so it lines up with your form labels. Positioning it clearly near a descriptive label will make it easier for users to understand what they're selecting. Next, right-click on the drop-down field you just placed and choose Properties. This opens a dialog where you can fine-tune how the field behaves. Switch to the Options tab. This is where you build the list of choices that will appear in your menu. In the item box, type the name of your first choice, then click Add. You'll see it appear in the list below. Repeat this process. Type each choice in the item box, then click Add to build out your complete menu. Keep your wording consistent and concise, so users can scan the list quickly. If you add something in the wrong order, you can adjust it using the up and down controls in the list. When everything looks right, close the Properties dialog. Finally, click Preview at the bottom left to test your field as your users will see it. Click the drop-down to confirm all items are present and selectable, and that the field is the right size and in the right place. If anything needs a tweak, exit Preview to return to editing, make your adjustments, and preview again. That's it. You've added a clear, professional drop-down menu to your fillable PDF in Acrobat Pro DC.